Good morning. I am currently waiting for everyone to show up so we can go on our last little Hawaii adventure before everyone starts leaving to do stuff for the summer.
Are we making a vlog?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I hit a mongoose.
Good way to start, huh?
Just kidding. This gas station feels like it's in the middle of nowhere.
And you made me lose my self-control.
I've never seen pine cones in Hawaii. Is that
Right?
just so
I've never seen one.
Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Hi, dog. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, Butter's living her life. Butter's so Butter's like, I like this.
Oh, I love big dogs.
Oh,
Wait, dogs don't even like me.
they really like Makana.
This is a shower.
It's so cool.
Imagine taking a shower and then you look out and see some goats. Like, that's the dream. Time to say hi to the baby goat.
Butter, not to get into it. Like, can I ever do this?
Oh! You wanna go in?
Baby, go.
Oh, you're so cute.
I really need to charge admission. Like,
oh my gosh, Serafina! What is that?
they do goat yoga.
If you sit down, they'll climb on you.
Oh no! Just Makana in the background.
All he cares about Makana. She's so happy though.
Oh my god, that dog's literally eating shit.
Love that.
That's how you feel.
Yeah, rate your food, please. No.
You should get in on that.
Okay. How was it?
There's too many. It's delicious and nutritious.
Okay, we're finally heading out. Ready? We're leaving. We have arrived.
One slipper?
Yeah, I left
What?
one. I literally only have one slipper now.
Well, we're at a different beach. We had to change our plans because the road we were trying to go down, someone literally died.
Me with my one slipper.
What board is that?
Your sunglasses are so cute.
I did not say that. I sink.
Brightest.
Real men sink. Sex caves?
The what?
Sex caves.
Damn, she's tan. One day. The watermelon's hot?
It's not even hot.
It's cold.
Picky.
Where's the spray on screen?
Oh, no idea. Got passed around a lot.
My finger is twitching. Record.
Really thinking,
I don't know the rest of it. I'm going to Costco, and I was like, you know what, no.
it's
Oh, I got sunscreen in my eye.
Wow, beautiful.
Wow. Did you
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Swam inside a cave over there. Also from a garage sale.
Yeah, this should go great. I really love them. Nice watermelon sugar. Yeah.
I know. I made that up. Mackie.
I have a corn in my foot.
How to take like a video.
You're a little kid, so you don't
Aiden, what are you up to? You're looking real white on this camera. How's your day going?
Very good.
Oh yeah,
I can't believe it just looks like that.
No, we just like live here. Oh, the way that lady is driving is so fun.